In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your portfolio to your LinkedIn profile. A well-crafted LinkedIn profile can significantly bolster your professional presence, and showcasing your work is a great way to make a lasting impression. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or a project manager, having your portfolio right there adds an extra layer of credibility. Let's dive right into the steps to get your portfolio featured on your LinkedIn profile. First, head over to linkedin.com using your preferred web browser. LinkedIn is one of the best platforms for networking and professional growth, so having every aspect of your work represented there is crucial. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, log in with your credentials. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your phone handy, as LinkedIn might send a verification code to ensure it's really you logging in. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar picture located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll select View Profile. This section is where you can edit and enhance what others see when they visit your profile. Once you're in your profile, look just below your profile picture and hit the Add Profile section button. You'll see several options here, but you want to focus on the Recommended section. From there, select Add Featured. Now let's add your portfolio. Click the plus sign, which you'll find in the upper right hand corner of the pop-up window. You'll be prompted with a few options at this point, but for portfolio purposes, choose Add a Link. Simply paste the URL of your portfolio into the text box provided. Make sure the link is correct and leads directly to the work you want to showcase. Each link you add deserves a good title, something that clearly indicates what you're sharing. A descriptive title will make it easier for anyone visiting your profile to understand what they're clicking on. After entering a title, briefly describe what your portfolio showcases. This could be a summary of the types of projects included, the skills demonstrated, or any impressive results you've achieved. Finally, once you have everything entered and are satisfied with your description, click Save to make your changes live. It's always a good idea to double check how it appears on your profile, ensuring everything looks neat and professional. And just like that, you've successfully added your portfolio to your LinkedIn profile. This simple addition can have a big impact on your online presence, allowing potential employers and collaborators to easily view and appreciate your work. Thanks for following along, and happy networking.